What food to eat when you're down with a flu or a cold and a cough, and at that time everything tastes bland? What food to eat especially after a festival binging on sweets, fried food, etc.? Do you want to know the answer? Namaskarams and welcome back to this episode of Munch and Mull. Keep watching. Have you heard of something that the British called as Mulligatawny soup? What is Mulligatawny soup? Mulligatawny means, Mullagu in Tamil means pepper and tawny is thanni. So Mulligatawny or our humble pepper rasam. Pepper has some amazing health benefits, especially for the digestive system, and we'll look at these benefits a little later. And so today we are going to be making pepper rasam or rasam without using rasam powder. It's a very easy recipe and anybody can make it. Let's look at the ingredients to make the Millagu Rasam or Pepper Rasam. I've taken one small lemon-sized ball of tamarind, 1 tablespoon of tuar dal, half teaspoon of cumin or jeera, half teaspoon of peppercorns, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of hing or asafoetida, half a teaspoon of jaggery powder for a little sweet tinge. I like it sweet, this is optional, salt to taste. And for the seasoning, we can use 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 small red chilli and curry leaves. We have used a combination of pepper and turmeric to make the rasam, and there's a major advantage of using pepper in the presence of turmeric. Discover the advantage in one of our previous episodes of making turmeric pickle in the link given above. We'll soak the tamarind in water for 1 hour and also soak the tuar dal, jeera, pepper and a few curry leaves in water for about an hour. We have to grind the soaked tuar dal, pepper, jeera and curry leaves into a coarse paste. We do not grind it fine. So let's take the pulp from the soaked tamarind. Scientific research provides a lot of evidence that black pepper has a lot of health benefits, particularly in improving digestion. Black pepper has an active ingredient called pepperine. This is reported to stimulate digestive enzymes, modify stomach secretions, change time that food takes to get digested, and prevents diarrhea. Black pepper also contains antioxidants, is anti-inflammatory and has properties that suppress fever and kills microbes. It is also known to improve and enhance our immune system. And that is not all. Black pepper also shows anti-cancer actions. Studies indicate that black pepper may suppress the action of chemicals that cause mutations in our cell DNA. And use of pepperine or black pepper can inhibit the growth of tumors. Wow! So now let's add the tamarind water. Add little more water. Switching on the gas. Half a spoon of turmeric powder. Half teaspoon of jaggery powder, which is optional. Salt to taste. A pinch of asafoetida or hing. And now let this boil for about 10 minutes so that the raw tamarind smell should not be there. So now it's 10 minutes and the raw tamarind smell is not there. So we will add this ground mixture. Okay. We can add lots of water. Add more water. And now let this just boil for about 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes. Keep stirring the rasam so that the ground masala doesn't settle at the bottom and get burnt. Now it's 5 minutes and now we are going to switch off the gas. So now let's prepare the seasoning for the Mulligatawny soup or our pepper rasam. So let's add the ghee. I'll add the mustard and 1 small red chilli. Oh, what an aroma. And now I am adding the curry leaves and switching off the gas. Let's add the seasoning to our pepper rasam. Our tasty, tangy and absolutely wonderful pepper rasam is ready. So here our Mulligatawny soup or pepper rasam is ready. It is such a comfort food when we are sick, and this rasam especially helps to liquefy the phlegm when you have the cold and the cough, and it cleanses the digestive system. And if you're making it for the children, you can omit the red chili and also reduce the quantity of pepper. So this pepper rasam helps our digestive system to get back into shape, especially after festival binging or party binging. You may also like to watch one of our previous episodes on Munch and Mull on ginger digestive balls, which are an excellent remedy for post-festival and post-party binging. A wonderful food to have with hot rice and a little ghee. And by the way, it could be just sipped as a soup, and hats off to the person who has invented this wonder recipe of South India. Is this not worth mulling over? Isn't it fascinating to see the richness of Indian vegetarian cuisines which cater to festivals and cuisines which cater to when we are sick? I'm sure that you would be knowing a lot of vegetarian recipes which are light on the stomach that you would make for your family when they are sick. Do share with me those recipes in the comment section below.